trees. And so here you look at the squirrel here. Do you see him? Here you kind of feel, oh, I'm near the mountains.
It's a Lenin in the center.
Oh, Lenin is still here.
Yes.
And is there, I mean, there's lovely stonework there, but is there plans to kind of tidy up the buildings? You know, for example, remove all the air conditioning, change it so that it's clean and fresh.
Yes. It's plastic.
The original wooden window is fine, but unfortunately it's been replaced with this PVC, and the job was never finished. The stickers were never removed off.
Yes.
The transportation system is the real challenge for the city to grow, and not just to grow, but also for other cities. Yeah, the transportation system should be one that allows for the choice. That if you're driving a car, you're not penalised, because the country is young and people want to have that new freedom of having a car. There has to be a way to make a free-flow traffic system. Recent times of Empire times and Soviet times probably, you know, disconnected today from that history. And I suppose it'll take a while to reconnect.